So here we come to the one of the luxurious property of Evolve Back Kurg. Um, I have visited all the three Evolve Back properties, which is located in Hampi as well as in Kabini. But this is one of my favorite. Hence, I'm coming the second time over here for the special occasion of my mom dad's 50th wedding anniversary. So. Um, Kurg is located almost 250 kilometers from Bangalore airport, and it's 118 kilometer from Mysore airport. So the nearest one would be Mysore. But I would still say it's a worth drive
Getting
from
six different
Bangalore for
varieties of
people,
coffees shipped to
Bangaloreans
different
basically,
locations,
to go to
and your
Kurg because it's a
conversation will
beautiful
continue
drive
well every day.
from the Bangalore
So
Mysore
tomorrow you
highway
have a very happy
overlooking the
cultural
Western
show.
Ghats.
Here the local community knows
It's
Garba
really
Kali.
amazing.
Artists will be
So
coming and performing
this
in local
property is a
foods, hotels and
300-acre
celebrations.
property,
So today
which
we'll
is
be
having a
slowly
live
gonna
plantation of
involve you into the cultural
spices
show.
and
All of these activities are
coffee
included along with this.
inside it,
It's
and
around 200.
it's one of my favorite because it is very close to the nature. So for all the nature
All
lovers
of
and
these
coffee
activities are
lovers,
included.
it's a must go
Yes,
property in India. Here
Anytime,
we
that's
have
only.
one of the
You
staff
can.
who's
rather than
explaining
this, we
us the
have some
list
other
of
premium and
complimentary
exclusive activities
activities which
only for the
comes
family members.
in our
You can
package.
charge it in and you'll get a
This is
private
one
guide as well.
peculiar thing
This
about
includes
Evolve
we
Back
have about
properties that they give you
2,500
a
acres of
list
coffee.
of a
It's a hilly
variety of
mountain protected
activities
terrain area,
which
and
is
we have a full
complimentary
4G
inherent with your
included with
package.
complimentary. You'll get a
And
pleasant
for
and it's
all the
complete
people
full
who
of
are
lakes.
planning to
So
book your
while
stay,
preferring
please
food,
go
people
ahead
always
and
trust
book
morning at 10
directly
a.m.
with
to have
Evolve Back
complimentary
because they
breakfast.
offer
For
you
LP
minimum
for LP, we are
10%
charging
less
12,000 rupees
amount
per family.
than
Like if you
the
want to
third
skip the food,
party
we have
vendors
plantation
like
hall. This
Go
is another
Ibibo or
one
Make My
acre for
Trip or
walking.
other
We have
places.
another alternative. That's plantation
And
hall.
I'll come
In
to
a
the
40 to
pricing and
40
other
foot
stuff
lakefront,
later,
300
but
acres of
just going on to the basically activities here. So they have variety of activities. One of the best activities that they have is the nature
So my
walk,
name is
the bird
Saraswati
watching,
and I'll be
and
one point
the
contact
coffee
person.
tasting.
I'll be sharing
And
my
you can
number
also
for
do the
any
plantation
assistance. You
nature
can call on
walk
my
with
number there.
jeep
Hi.
safari, which comes at an additional cost of closer to 5 to 7,000 per
So we
jeep,
got back tour
which
with the
can accommodate
plantation
4 to 5 people in
we
your
run
family.
about
So
probably
this is
twice every
about the
Saturday and
list,
Sunday.
and there'll be other
Saturday and
activities
Sunday
also,
will be
but these are the
probably plantation
main attractive
and
ones which
you ever
which I
had
would
any of
like
that
to
kind of
highlight.
environment?
Here we are going to our
While
room.
within
So there
here,
are
we see
various
the
categories of room in
experiences
Evolve
that
Pack.
especially family
It
members
starts with
and candidates
Lily
use
Pool
to go when
Cottage,
it comes
Lily
to
Pool
traveling.
Bungalow,
So
and then the
say one
Heritage
experience
Pool
for me.
Villa. The
Like
one which I
the
booked for
first time
now is
we
Heritage
have
Pool
been
Villa. It can accommodate four adult members and two children in your family. So if you want to book a one single bungalow, you should go for
If you
Heritage Pool
enter
Villa, though
Bangalore
the
Hampi,
pricing is a
we
little
stand
on a
there
higher
and
side.
enjoy the sunrise.
But
So
it's beautiful, and as you could see when we went inside, there was a overbridge which passes through a stream of water. It's really beautiful entry that you have to your beautiful villa for stay. And every villa over here has jacuzzi and private pool. So for all the people who have small toddlers and children, please go to Evolve Back because they
अच्छा
would
ये
love
वो
it,
वाला
because
रूम
they
है
because
तनीषा.
the water over here is
ये वो
pretty
वाला
clean
रूम
and
है.
fresh, because they kind of clean any which ways twice in a week, but
Yeah.
on your special request they will do it daily if you're planning a longer stay over here. Just look at the view from here. So this time we got a view of a lake surrounding our villa, and just from the pool you
Thank
overlook
you.
the lake and enjoy the refreshments there. It's really
Wow.
wonderful.
So
And
this
with your room
pool
they
has
also
been
give you
cleaned, right?
a tray with this full of the gourmet dry
Yeah,
fruits
that's
and
okay. That's okay.
fruits. And there comes a mini bar which is complimentary
And what about
with
any
filled with soft drinks,
reptiles
soda,
like snakes or
and
anything like nothing
yeah,
like that?
it's they give you everything complimentary already in your room. So this is the sunbed over
Okay.
here, and you can just relax and have a beautiful view of the nature from your room. There is another door which goes to the pool from your bedroom as well. So in case you would want to directly hit into your room, it's there is a gate, and there is another gate which is directly connected to the washroom as well from the pool. So the way they have designed the room, it's really beautiful, and it takes you back to the old southern culture. It's you could see the way it's been designed, unlike the modern amenities. It's really beautiful view from your room. So So coming to the pricing, the Heritage Pool Villa is, as I said, it starts with closer to 60,000, inclusive of taxes, with one major meal and dinner. Basically breakfast and dinner, and then comes the second one, which is the Heritage Pool Villa. After the Heritage Pool Villa, the next comes the Lily Pool Villa. The Lily Pool Villa will have closer to 50,000, inclusive of tax, and then the third one is the Lily Pool Bungalow, which is again 50,000 plus plus tax. So all of this will include your breakfast and one major meal, which is generally dinner. And this is the place which is called the Glenary Restaurant, which is common for for your breakfast and buffet dinners. And there's a beautiful sitar which is playing by a man every night when you go for dinner, which is a beautiful feel. Coming to the food, I would say for all the seafood lovers and South Indian food lovers, it's really gonna be amazing, because they have, the taste is really there. I mean, it's very yummy. But for the North Indian food lovers, though they have a lot of variety, but the taste is still not there. So they'll be a little disappointed. So I would give a rating of closer to 7 out of 10, because it can be improved. This is one of the improvement area I can call for Evolve Back. And they have three restaurants running there. So this is the Granary restaurant. The other one is the Peppercorn restaurant, which I will show you in the later part of the video. The setup there is candlelight setup in the Peppercorn. So if you're coming for a special occasion, do visit for one of your meal there, because it's located just surrounded by the lake, and you know, the feel over there is amazing. Though the variety of and the range of food is little lesser than the Granary, but it's still very tasty, I would say. The limited portions of options that you have, they are very yummy. So you do visit Peppercorn restaurant for one of the unique experiences there. The third one is the Leaf restaurant. That one is specially for the South Indian food lovers, and it is only operating during breakfast. Here we come to the coffee plantation activity. As I said at the beginning, it is my favorite activity. This lady will explain for all the coffee lovers all the details around the coffee. So she is, she is well equipped with all the knowledge that you have. She will take you to the coffee walk of around the world. So be it Vietnam, be it America, be it any place in Italy, she would talk about the coffee, where it originated and stuff like that, and especially in India also, about Tamil Nadu, Coorg. She will talk about all those details. And for all the coffee lovers, I would recommend, don't miss this activity, because the details, and it's not at all boring. The details and the live session that you have about coffee, it's really worth it to know about it. So yes, this is my favorite activity, and we'll talk more on this in the plantation walk that we do.
So many designs the baristas they will make for your coffee. So here you can see one small design, and this is
While she's explaining, this guy is gonna make fresh coffees for you for tasting, and this is the best part of, I would say, because while learning about coffee, you're also tasting it by the way. So this is a library where I'm taking you of Evolve Back Kurg, and it is open 24/7. It has a variety of books for all the book readers. This is a place where you must go, because it is surrounded by the paddy field plantation, which is a beautiful secluded part of the property. And another best part about this place is that they serve coffee on request, complimentary. And the best coffee that we tried at the plantation was the cold coffee, which is very closer to the Vietnam coffee, and they serve you 24/7 when you go there and ask them. So for all the book readers, for all the coffee lovers, please visit the library, because this is the place where you should be. So the best season to go to Evolve Back Kurg would be from October to February. Though we visited in September, it was quite a little sunny there, but I love the weather, because it's good to go with kids and have fun during that season as well. Right now, I'm taking you to the souvenir shop of Evolve Back Kurg. Here they sell variety of old culture heritage things like made of brass, made of copper, made of pure cotton and pure linen. So the spices that they kind of make in the property. So those are the few things that you will find in this shop. On the pricing side, I found it a little bit of on a higher side, but for people who have come and want to take a souvenir for their family, it's really worth it to go there.
इसके बाद है ना तुम वो फिटनेस रूम ले ही चलो, बस चलो चलो फास्ट
So
चलो.
we will be going to the fitness room now.
Chalo.
Coming to the fitness room, they don't have a lot of equipments, but it's still good enough for you to keep yourself fit and active in the morning. Though honestly, we did not go to the use the fitness room because the list of
Chalte raho,
activities that Evolve Back Kurk has, that itself keeps you that itself is very hectic and cumbersome. So it starts at 6:30 somewhere in the morning, the nature walk, and then they take you to the bird watching, where you can see almost all varieties of birds there in the world, the immigrant birds and the local birds that's there from India. So it's really beautiful to do that. Then comes your breakfast, and then comes the coffee tasting, and then they leave you for your lunch, and again starts the other activities like the storytelling and the dance, which you will see, the heritage dance of all the Kurgis. So it keeps you occupied, and this is the safari activity which I was talking about, which is closer to 5 to 7,000 range it has, and it can accommodate 4 to 5 adults. It's a really worth it, must try activity there, because the details that the people that you're gonna get in this kind of a plantation walk, you would get it nowhere in India, let me tell you that. And there is another complimentary plantation walk which is outside of the jeep, but you have to do the walking. But this is much better because they are more it's more of like one-on-one session that you have with the in-house staff there. So right now we are near the bungalow of the owner of Evolve Back property, and which is again surrounded by the plantation here. So as I said, it's a live working plantation there. People are actually working there in the plantation, and you got to see that. It's really amazing for us to do such kind of an activity. And Jackson, he explains us about all the details, as you can see.
Who is the farmer of the forest?
God.
Monkeys.
Wild boars.
Wild boars.
So wild boar's favorite food is the root of this creeper. They come, they dig the hole, eat the root. So this creeper is dead. He is saving that. That's the ecological balance and the food chain. So everything in the nature has its own balance. We can't interpret.
It's almost like a 1.5 hour session that we have within the jeep with the plantation walk, and we got to see a lot about the nature, about the plants, various plants and creepers, etc., which is there inside their plantation. So here we see one of the most peculiar plant. Just look at it. Amazing, isn't it? Wow.
Wow.
So we get bubbles from the basically water inside the plant, and this is really amazing to watch. And they call this plant as a diesel plant because they can make diesel out of it.
Come on, once more.
It's really beautiful for the kids, and a must go place, because seeing nature live is the best way to learn. So
Wow.
please take your kids there.
So this is the second hottest chili.
So this small chili can actually be the spice for almost 20 odd people in your family. Just imagine, this is called the red bomb. It is the second most spiciest chili in the entire world.
This is green pepper.
So they grow it here.
They make pickles out of this.
Pickles.
This turns red in the
And
month of February. That is
warning,
called red
please don't try it.
pepper. Same red, if we harvest and dry it, becomes black. So it's called black pepper.
And then white?
So if you remove the outer skin when it is red, inside it is white. So it's called white pepper.
अच्छा, white pepper the quantity becomes less, and that's why it becomes more
More
expensive.
expensive. Processing also more, no?
Okay, you will have to wait till the end for white pepper.
And we can use this green also.
Green also we use, but
So they grow
usually very
cardamom,
local,
peppers,
like we use it
coffee,
very locally because if we try it
cinnamon,
and sell it,
and
we get more money.
chilies,
Okay.
lot of
Nobody
fruits and
uses this,
veggies. So
green
almost
Raw.
everything they are into
pickles and all.
in this plantation.
and some
Right now they are exporters, but
it's
they
not
really have a
commercially
good
made.
variety of plantation
Very
inside
locally
their
made.
property.
Okay. So this bottle is filled with alcohol. This one.
Alcohol.
Yeah. Till here it will be water. Both the sides open.
Okay.
So before coming to the fruit, the insect get attracted by the smell of alcohol. They go inside. They get some giddiness. They fall inside the water.
Wow. So right now, has it caught any insects?
Yeah.
So nice
the last
tricks
time.
and things that they do to save their plant from the
It was easy
living
to control the
creatures
insects.
like insects and others.
Controlling
So
our plantation workers.
whenever the insect comes to grab a fruit, they kind of put this small alcohol inside the bottle and they will feel tipsy and they will kind of die. So nice trick. So here we come to the third activity, which is the dance, folk dance of the Kurgis. They perform this to give respect and they worship their weapons in the old days by performing this sort of a folk dance. So this is a dedication to their swords and weapons. And let me tell you, all the men who are standing here must be above the age of 60. So the amount of coordination and the way they dance was really commendable, because at this age it's really difficult to do that. So hats off to those guys. And this is a live singing, it's not recorded, so they do it live there along with the performance. So here comes the third restaurant, the Peppercorn restaurant, which I was talking about. It's a candlelight setup that they have for the in-house guests. So any special occasion you're celebrating, please do visit this place. And the best dish that the vegetarian should try is a cottage cheese steak and the rasballi, because for all the sweet lovers. I must say you should try rasballi, though it looks like rasmalai, but it's really a different taste that you should try. So please, vegetarians, do try cottage cheese steak and rasballi in Peppercorn restaurant. This place is mainly for the feel of it because the way the ambience is set up surrounding the lake, it really gives you a nice feel while having
इसको
dinner with your
रसमलाई
special
को
one.
मलाई
So
को ये करते हैं, इसको
please
तलते
visit
हैं.
there. This is the third restaurant that they have, and this is my personal favorite because it takes you back to the old heritage of South India, serving South Indian dishes on a banana leaf. This operates only for breakfast timing. So for all the dosa lovers, please do visit this one because it provides you a range and variety of dosas in the live counter. It also have a wholesome buffet, but as I said, it's mainly for the dosas because it has a lot of variety and every dosa there is a very tasty one. So, thank you.